Meet Timo, a regular Kenyan guy, with a very irregular problem.
Surely, what business can 10K even start? These YouTubers lie too much.
Timo, stop overthinking. Money doesn't grow by staring at it.
Timo wandered through the market. He discovered something that made him freeze like free Wi-Fi.
Wait, people BUI this thing? And it's always out of stock? Bro, if you had a steady supply, you'd be rich. Demand iko juu sana.
With only 10K, Timo bought 2 rabbits and built a simple hutch. No fancy structures, just a clean, airy space. And boom, every day, the little guys produced manure. More consistently than half the side hustles in Nairobi. Low feeding cost, 0 smell issues.
This thing is easy, bana. And the best part, they produce daily. Timo, this is quality. Bring more next week. Manze, imagine if I started this earlier. I have made 5,000 shillings in profit. Ben, come now. Let's make money than going to Nairobi for mjengo work.
In just a few weeks, Timo became the neighborhood's most unexpected entrepreneur. A business no one talks about. A business almost no one tries. And yet, one of the few that works with real numbers, real demand, and real profit. Sometimes, the best ideas are the ones hiding in plain sight.